next chart looks at the vaccine distribution across the county, and this is by demographic population. So you can see that African Americans, at 28% of African Americans in Forsyth County are at least partially vaccinated. 41% of white residents are partially vaccinated, and 24% of Hispanic residents. Then when you see it broken down by age, you can see that 35% of those 18 to 24, 42% of those 25 to 49, and you can see how the numbers go up, where 80 and 82% of those that are 65 and over and 75 and over are at least partially vaccinated. So our total population is 42% of our population has been vaccinated partially. It's 159,000 residents, and 53% of those 18 and over are partially vaccinated. But you can see the numbers at 18 to 49, that's still where we're having to focus to try to encourage people to get the vaccine. Yes, you have less risk of hospitalization or severe illness or death, but it protects everyone, especially those 50 and over, when you get the vaccine. When you get that control, herd immunity, that's what we need to get that in our community. So this next slide looks at our vaccine availability. We resumed a few weeks ago Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and we have appointments and walk-ups for Pfizer first doses available at the Forsyth County Department of Public Health, 799 North Highland Avenue. You can see the bit.ly address. You see the phone number to call from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to make an appointment. We also have walk-ups available. Thursday, May 6th, we have first doses here at the health department from 4 to 8 p.m. You can walk up until 7. Saturday, May 8th, from 9 to 12. We have clinics today at the fairgrounds, but as the next slide will show you, we're transitioning away from the fairgrounds to the Department of Public Health due to the demand. That's something we've seen across the county, across the state, and across the nation, where there's less and less people coming to the vaccine clinics. At the same time, while we're seeing less there and we're trying to right size our operations, it's because of the sheer size of the operation at the fairgrounds. It's been a great place to be since January 24th through May the 24th is our last day there. We are coming to the health department. We'll have the capacity to see 500 to 600 people per day at the Department of Public Health. We're also doing our outreach events. We're going to lots of churches. We've been already doing that. We're working through organizations like the NAACP, but we're also trying to do unique events. We'll be going to some DASH games later on this month and trying to partner with some other groups to reach not only our historically marginalized populations, but our young adults as well. So this next slide shows how we're moving our first dose vaccination.